not a pussy ass. Screw with those kids in class who pick on you. Say one day they'll pay, just wait.
Would you like fries with that?
Because every piece of shit in due time gets stepped on. Once you sign the sign, you get boots laced with Teflon. And all that rage and pain you'll learn to use to get some. No more mowing lawns, you'll mow down ponds of rich shakes on blood-soaked sand trod by fakes that apply when bombs go blast. God is great, it'll rain lead, you'll make it rain red. Shower the cowards and grow a garden of death. Because I promise to you a 50 caliber and deuce you can use to reduce to a cadaver of brute, an Arab to shoot and leave them there for the scarabs and scavengers to consume. Because they messed with America, I'll give you brothers who feel like you, like blood relatives in a second they do. Actions that oppose our very nature, like catching bullets, jumping on grenades, or anything it takes to make sure that you're okay. And you'll do the same too, cause that's what it means to be a Marine. And not just any Marine, you're 03, only 03, 03, that's you bro, trust me, cause bugs be just weak. A sad truth, you know it. Come on, youth, you say you wanna be a man, show it. I'll make you a Superman, slayer of men in the clan. Girls who never gave a damn will beg to spread their legs in cans bigger than Christmas hams could be in your hands. You're gonna let them slip through? You're too smart to. Hey, I know you got a lot on your plate, better step up to it soon. You can't afford to wait, or you'll lose your chance to shed your hate. Just let it go, man. Lose the pain, shrug off the weight, get in the damn van. I promise you'll be too fulfilled to have any more. The core's sure to fill you up like the cure to a cavity sore. This war is what you're looking for, you'll see when you get in. Man, you'll see when you get in. Okay, man, give